Dear members of Alzheimer Society, my name is Umair Ahmed. I am the founder and CEO of Neurometry. I started the company out of personal experience with misdiagnoses, but also watching my grandmother's dementia diagnosis missed for 7, 8 years for the very fact that she forgot to speak English, and none of us were around to observe the decline in her cognitive capacity that was happening. And that's why we started looking into smart devices and thought of using games as an interactive medium with the cognition. Um, Games allow us to measure different fluid cognition, subdomain targets, and to be able to create measurements that can help guide clinical teams with their diagnoses, but also family members to flag risk. And that's why we've really focused on the family and the group element of it and to be able to drive utility to the stakeholder. Um, our apps have been clinically validated. Recent new 16 games being introduced just completed clinical trials with subjective MCI patients. And the team, broadly speaking, is quite skilled across games, neuroscience, biomedical, and psychiatry. Um, we've piloted since 2023. We've accrued about 4,000 users, but we still think that we can expedite our growth, and with working with a patient advocacy group like yourself will allow us to get it right. And we need to get it right. So let me just show you quickly how our app looks. It's unassuming. You can play it just like any other game, and the main aim is to be able to use it for a couple of months. The games look very similar to something like Candy Crush. This is on a tablet, but there's a smartphone version available. This addresses visual impairment, and we're able to even track micro tremors. So, this is the power of quantification and data sourcing that we bring. And I think this can be incredibly valuable for an association like yourself to be able to deliver a product that empowers families in being able to help combat um, early intervention into dementia. The award will be incredible in driving future growth. With that, thank you very much, and I look forward to your review.